Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will learn how to pronounce the word nipples. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. She covered her nipples with band-aids after getting sunburned at the beach. Nipples are the small, sensitive, raised bumps on the chest that are typically located on the breasts, particularly in females, and contain mammary glands for breastfeeding. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.